back to my video. My name is Anastasia Sirait with IDN 41911111064. Now on this video, I will explain to you about numerical system development. Enjoy this video. According to history, when humans began to recognize writing or historical times and carry out counting or counting activities, they were confused about how to give the number symbol. So, then a numeration system was created, namely a system consisting of numerals or symbols of numbers and numbers. The numeration system is a rule for expressing or writing numbers using a number of number symbols. Some of the concepts used in the numeration system are: first, additive rules. Not using the rules of place and the value of a symbol is obtained from adding up the values of the main symbol. The symbol is the same. The value is the same wherever it is located. The second is simple grouping rules. If the symbol used has the value n times to 0 n times to 1 blank 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 and has an additive rule. The third is place rules. If the same symbols but different place have different values. The fourth is multiplicative rules. If it has a basic example b, then it has the symbols of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, blank, 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 b times to 1 and has symbol for b2, b3, b4, blank, 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 and so on. However, it must be realized that it took controls to arrive at the conclusion. This is not the first in the number system. Accordingly, several number systems will be described as follows. A. The ancient Egyptian numeral system, 3000 before century. Texts like Rhind Mathematical Papyrus and Moscow Mathematical Papyrus show that the ancient Egyptian could calculate four basic mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Using fractions, calculate the volumes of cubes and pyramids, and calculate the area of squares, triangles, circles, and spheres. They understand the basic concepts, algebra and geometry, and is able to solve simultaneous equations. The ancient Egyptian used a number system since the first dynasty around 28 and 50 before century. The symbol of the ancient Egyptian system were called hieroglyphs. Egyptian numerals use decimal base number or base 10. For the number 1 is expressed in the form of sticks 1 to number 9 still using 9 sticks. However, the number 10 has a special symbol or heel bone. The number 100 has the form of a symbol spiral, and numbers 100 to 900 still use the same symbol spiral as many as 9 species. The number 1000 use the symbols lotus flower, and the number 10,000 is represented by the index finger, while 100,000 is represented by the symbol bird, and the million number is represented by astonished people, and the 10 million number is presented by the symbols, namely sunrise. B. The Babylonian numeral system. The Babylonian numeral system is also called the sexagesimal system because it used base 60 taken from Sumer. Sexagesimal still exists today in the form of level, minute, and second in the trigonometry and measurement, which is the cultural heritage of Babylon. Unlike the ancient Egyptian system, the Babylonian system prioritize position. For numbers greater than 60, the symbol presets the symbol, and any symbol on the left has a value of 60 times the result value. The Babylonian numeral system did not have zeros. They used space to indicate the absence of a number in a particular place value. C. Mayan numeral system. Archaeologists admit that the Mayan calendar began counting the time from 31 and 14 before century, referred to as year 0 and equated to 1st January. Their numeration system is very high, where they change the symbol of the image with dots, the horizontal lines, and shell symbols to represent 0, which is sufficient to represent any number. This kind of theory is used in the binary system of today's calculators and is thought to be the first nation to use a place value system and a zero. This system has a base of 20 or vigesimal using a place value system and is written vertically. Base 20 is used because it is considered to represent the number of fingers on the human hand and foot. In the Mayan numeral system, the dot represents 1 and the horizontal line represents 5. D. The ancient Greek numeral system, 300 before century. As in Egypt and Mesopotamia, the Greeks also developed their own numeration system. The ancient Greek system was originally called the Attic system around 300 before century, then developed into the Ionian or alphabetic Greek system. The first is ancient Greek numeral system or Attic. The Attic system forms a simple group system based on 10 which is from the first letters of number names. In addition to symbols I, H, K, M for 1, 10, 102, 103, 104, and there is a special number symbol for 5. This special symbol is an old form of I, the first letter of the Greek pen 5, and is the first letter from the Greek deca or 10, and the H from hekaton, namely 100, and other symbols can be described in the name way. The symbol 5 is often used alone in combination with other symbols to shorten number statements. The second is Greek alphabet system. In the 5th century before century, the Attic system was replaced by an alphabetical system with symbols such as those in the table in the Greek alphabetical number system, 1000, 2000 until 9000, often expressed in quotation marks for the symbol 1, 2, blank 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 until 9. So 1000 is written with and 3000 with. E. The Chinese-Japanese numeral system, 200 before century. This numeration system has existed since 200 before century, and the Chinese wrote the numbers using a writing instrument called a pit where the shape resembles a brush. The writing is in the form of pictures or pictography that has high artistic value. The Chinese numeral system, called the system stem, has a place value developed around 213 before century. The Chinese use 3 numbering systems, namely the Hindu-Arabic system, and the other 2 use local numerals called Dexi, which are distinguished for commercial and financial purpose to avoid counterfeiting. F. Roman numeral system 100 before century. The Roman numeral system developed around the beginning of 100 AD, which has several basic symbols, namely I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, which represent the numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100 representatively. The Roman numeral system has no place value. When several symbols are combined, they can be written part by part. When a number contains two basic symbols, one number is smaller than the other. Then the following applies addition if the symbol of the right represents the smaller number, and subtraction if the symbol on the left represents the smaller number. The last is G, Hindu-Arabic numeral system, 300 before century. Historically, this system originated in India around 300 before century, did not use place values, and did not have a zero symbol. They started using a place value system estimated to have occurred in 500 AD. The Hindu-Arabic numeration system used a place value system with a base of 10, which is influenced by the number of fingers, namely 10. They revert from the Latin decim, which means 10. This numeration system is often called as a decimal system. It is not known exactly when and where the beginning of the zero symbol was used. There are only some suggestions that this zero symbol originated in Babylonia via Greece. This Hindu-Arabic numeral system has the following properties. Using 10 basic symbols called numbers, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and numbers greater than 10 are expressed to power of 10, and then has place value, and the last is additive. My explanation about numerical system development has finished. I hope you understand about my explanation, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.